Your trading account size is a trap, and it's probably why you're losing money. Beginners dream of Rs 10 lakh accounts, blaming small capital for losses. But here's the shocker. Lose Rs 10,000, you'll just lose Rs 10 lakh faster. More capital amplifies bad habits, magnifies emotional pressure. It's not about the zeros in your account, it's about the strategy in your head. True success, strict risk management, discipline, a proven process. Skills, not size, drive results. Pros focus on process. Protecting capital, controlling risk, consistent percentage returns. The capital doesn't make the trader. The trader masters capital. Stop gambling, start strategizing. Hit follow for expert insights on mastering your capital and building true trading wealth. Plus, stay ahead with our AI-powered analysis.